Hello team. Today we're gonna review Streamline Server Release 2024.12.0.1. So let's begin. We have added the global filters that allow filtering out the tree view and any other report results. So let's go to Project, Filters, and we can see our filter list here. We have the name, owner or creator of the filter, viewers, and editors, if any. You can also edit, duplicate, or delete the filter by pressing the menu button right here. So let's try to create a filter real quick. Let's assign it a name, and we're gonna filter out by location. Let's choose warehouse. So filter can be private or shared with specific user. It could be viewer or editor. So you can select anybody from the project or within your company who can have access to the specific filter, who can modify it or just simply view it. And here we can see our just newly created filter. Filters are available across the demand, inventory, and reporting tabs. We can open multiple filters at the same time, allowing us to easily navigate the project. So let's choose our test filter we have just created. And now on the demand tree, we can see only items from our selected location, warehouse 001. We can also open a few other things if we want to. And thus we can easily navigate between filter out information without scrolling through the entire item tree. Same goes for the inventory. We can open multiple things here or all items. So let's filter out by our location. And here we have it. And for the reporting as well. This feature streamlines your workflow, allowing you to quickly zero in on relevant data without having to search for it manually. Also, the inter-site optimization algorithm has been improved. Let's go to Project, Settings, and we have our inter-site optimization enabled. So there are two options now available for transfer and lead time. Available for transfer is the same way as before this update. It enables more precise distribution of items across locations, ensuring efficient inventory management. While lead time gives us transfer regions. So under Project, Transfer Regions, we can create our transfer regions and we can assign a lead time to the transfer region as well. Let's set 5. Let's set another one with 7 days lead time. Do not forget to click Save Changes. Now, if we go to the Inventory tab, we can select different transfer regions for certain products. Also worth noting that we can choose multiple transfer regions for the same product. This feature allows us more flexibility and improves our inter-site optimization even further. Also, ability to order shortage quantity was added. Now, in the inventory, planned orders configuration, there are two new options. Order shortage slash display quantity ignoring lead time and expected order date, and trigger orders earlier to cover fixable shortage, display quantity ignoring expected order date. The second one is enabled by default. This feature triggers orders earlier only if the shortage can be resolved by placing the order sooner without altering the lead time. Also note, if maintaining a static order cycle is more important than addressing shortages, it is recommended to have this option disabled. The first option triggers orders sooner by ignoring altered lead time. This is particularly useful when faster delivery options are available. Also, SMAPE metric has been added. It is often better suited for situations where you want to equally weight over predictions and other predictions, or when working with data that includes zero or very small values. It provides a more balanced view compared to the existing MAPEE. This metric also has been added to the reporting. For example, on the forecast performance, if we go to show columns, we can check SMAPE to see the value on the report as well. In terms of integrations, Spire has been added to the multi-connector. Also, ability to create project from a file that is stored on SharePoint or OneDrive has been added. So now in the multi-connector, if we choose spreadsheet transactional data, click create, we can link the file from SharePoint or OneDrive. And in the custom API connection, we can now add substitutions and channels endpoints. That is it for today. Thank you for your time, and please let us know if you have any questions.